Okay, hi everyone. My name's Rina Click. I am the spawn of Gina K, and I am here at Creativation for the first time ever. And I know that Erin has gone over a little bit of what the Wreath Builder does, but I am here to show you another set that you can use using the Wreath Builder system, and it's one that I designed, and it's called the Mandela Maker.
That is cool. You designed this?
I did.
Fabulous.
Because my sister designs a lot of our intricate stamps and flowers and stuff, and I can't draw at all, but I did get an A in geometry. So I decided if the Wreath Builder makes something in a circular pattern, I figured it's got to look pretty cool if you just add random shapes on there. So we took some normal shapes, we added some points, we added some little details, we added some leaves, and then it ended up being pretty cool. So here are some samples of the kind of things you can make using the Mandala Maker. It creates perfect circular patterns, and it is really fun to just get carried away with. I always end my day by making a mandala, and with over 50 stamps in the collection, it's very hard to get to a point where you don't know what to make anymore.
And it's different colors, it makes it look totally different. Yeah.
And something else you can do, which is something I did this year, is if you use the new Gina K amalgam ink with this stuff, which is an ink designed to work with all coloring mediums, you can stamp these mandalas and create coloring pages for your friends, which is something I did. I made 10 different mandalas, all different sizes and shapes and designs, and I left them just black and white, and then I ended up making a coloring book for my friend for Christmas. So,
see one in action?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
So I'll start just a simple one here. So we'll just do this one to make it easy.
So you have a template in the back of your Misty.
Yep, I have the Wreath Builder template. This is the 3 3/4 square, and I'm going to start with a point. I like to call them the point stamps, and I just line it up with this line that these points make. We'll do the Gina K turquoise because I'm contractually obligated to have turquoise all over my life.
I don't think I have a complaint with turquoise. Have you seen my hair?
So you just rotate the paper in the stencil and create a design using these stamps. Just like the Wreath Builder, the original Wreath Builder will make a circular pattern, but it makes it a little more
I mean, it makes it super easy
fun.
too.
Yeah. Can you imagine trying to do this by hand?
Oh my gosh.
You can also use the circles and the normal shapes in the stamp set to create a spirograph pattern, and your pencil won't fly off at the end and ruin it all. It is very fun.
Yeah, definitely.
That is awesome. That is awesome.
Thank you.
Does that only work with certain sets of stamps, or
You can use it with any stamp set you want.
these are clearly designed to fit the space?
Yeah, these are designed to
Line up just perfectly next to each other.
perfectly and fit within the square. But we also have the mega Wreath Builder template coming out. So you can do stuff like this, like home decor over here, and this is done with just a normal stamp set.
And we were thinking carnival, so we can.
So is this the one set that goes with that size template? What do you call the template?
The template is called the Wreath Builder template. We actually have a make and take using them if you want to test it out.
Are there multiple sets that fit with that, or just this one?
We have a large line of Wreath Builder stamps. We have holiday ones, an autumn one.
But we can push it up to 30 without a problem.
That is so cool. And so now you can just add another layer on top.
Yep, and every stamp
which is
you
what
place
you've done for
is
something like
based
this.
off of the first ones you place.
That is so cool. I love that.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. I really
Thank
appreciate
you.
that. These are so cool. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again later.
Thank you. Don't forget to
Bye.
subscribe.